Breaking news, the verdict is in. Hello, everybody. I'm Matt Johnson in for Ted Rowlands on this busy Friday. Let's switch gears and head to the state of Georgia, where again, we have a verdict in the disguised as suicide murder trial. Defendant Susan Embert is on trial for a third time on charges that she murdered her husband, Jake. Jake was shot to death more than a decade ago, and Susan has maintained her innocence, claiming that he pulled the trigger on himself. Susan first went to trial back in 2019 when a jury found her guilty of all the charges, a conviction that would be later overturned 3 years later after a post-conviction attorney discovered that one of the jurors who convicted her was convicted himself, thus ineligible to serve on that jury. The second trial began last year, but was quickly declared a mistrial after the first day of testimony. The jury has reached a verdict. Let's head into the courtroom now and watch together.
All right, good morning. I understand that you have a verdict?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, if you could hand it to I'll take a look. All right, and would the attorneys like to review it at the bench?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll just let the attorneys come up for form. All right, I'm going to have Madam Clerk Johnson publish the verdict.
In the Superior Court of Georgia County, State of Georgia, State versus Susan Embert, case number 15R456. As to count 1, malice murder, guilty. As to count 2, felony murder, guilty. Count 3, aggravated assault, guilty. Count 5, possession of a firearm with the commission of a crime, guilty. Dated the 16th day of January 2026. Signed by foreperson Reginald Bernard Hall.
All right, thank you. All right. Anything from the state or the defense?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Is there a request of any polling of the jury?
Just a moment, Judge. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to now poll the jury. I'll ask each juror, was this your verdict? Was it freely given by you or voluntarily made by you? I'll go through each juror to make sure everyone is in agreement with the verdict. All right. I'm going to we'll start with foreperson and then go all the way around and go through. If you would stand up and just give us your juror number.
Juror number 39.
All right. Was this your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this still your verdict?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, next person. Thank you. Juror number?
24.
All right. Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, ma'am.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it still your verdict? Next juror. All right. Was this your verdict? I'm sorry, your number, please. Thank you. Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it still your verdict? All right, next juror, give me your number, please. 15. Was that your verdict in the jury room? Was it freely and voluntarily made by you? Is it still your verdict? All right, next.
Number 11.
Number 11. Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, ma'am.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it still your verdict?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Next juror.
Juror number 4.
Number 4. Was that your verdict in the jury room? Was it freely and voluntarily made by you? Is it still your verdict? Thank you. Next person. Number, sir?
Juror number 10.
Number 10. Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it still your verdict?
It is.
Thank you. All right, next person. Number, sir? 31. Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you? Is it still your verdict? Thank you. All right, number please. 28. Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you? Is it still your verdict? Next. Number 32. Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you? Is it still your verdict? And then you were 32, correct? Okay, next person.
Jury number 36.
36. Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it still your verdict?
Yes, Your Honor.
And there's one other person I can't remember. Okay, all right. Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Jury number 38.
Oh yes, 38. Thank you. Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it still your verdict?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, members of the jury, for your service this week. Taking out 2 weeks of your life, I know, was taxing on you, and so we do, all of us, appreciate your service for the past 2 weeks. There is no requirement that you're free to go. We will give you a token. The pay is not pay. It's just a token of appreciation. It's no way to say we're paying you for all this time you've taken off of work, but there is a token of appreciation that you'll be given by the clerk. There is no requirement that you speak to anyone about the case. However, if you would like to speak to either the attorneys or the media, you can do so. That will be completely up to you. If you want to talk about the case, if you never want to talk about it for the rest of your life, now you can watch the news. Now you can watch. You won't be shown, but you will probably be seeing this case on other television shows in the future. Thank you again for your service. Again, you're free to go. You don't have to talk to anyone unless you would like to talk to someone. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank y'all for your service.
Oh, yes. I know. Court 700. Yes. Thank you.
Susan Embert, the 61-year-old who has been through 3 trials, convicted twice, talking to her attorney before she's remanded back into custody. She's been out on bail, shaking her head, rocking her chair, looking up during the polling of this jury. Convicted twice of all counts: malice murder, felony murder, aggravated assault, and using a firearm during the commission of a felony.